Okay, in this video, I will be explaining how to generate a device token in Android Studio using Firebase console. And this device token can be used further to utilize Firebase services like sending OTP, sending mail authentication, sending push notification, etc. So let's move to the implementation. Um, I have given a link to a Git repo in the description below. You need to clone it. Go to here and copy this link and clone this Git repo. Okay, I have copied it now. This is one of the sample application. Okay, clone is done. Import the code in a Android Studio. File, open, and okay, here open it in a new window, not an issue. Okay, let me finish the indexing and Gradle import everything. Let it finish. Okay, my app import is completed. Let's compile it now. Okay, go and make the project, build, make anything we can do. Okay, it is reporting an issue that what is that Google service JSON file is missing. Yeah, that is what my next topic was. Okay, so now what we need to do, you go to the Firebase console. We need to download a Google JSON file here, and we need to create an app in a Firebase console. Okay, you go here, and here in a Firebase console, you create an application here and choose Android application. Okay, and here you need to provide a app name that should match to your package name here. In a main activity, you can copy this package name and you can put it here, and already have an app with that package name. That's all right. Okay, let me delete that app. Okay, let me delete that app that may not required. I have created for testing purpose. Okay, I went to that app and I remove this app from the console, Firebase console. Now I can create an app. Yes, I have deleted it. I can create an app. Android Studio. Yeah, copy the same package name, paste. Yes, you are ready to register. Register your app. Now this is what uh, Android Studio was asking, or that code was asking. So we have downloaded the JSON file and copy this JSON file. I will tell you the place where you need to keep it. Go to the place where you have cloned the code. I have cloned it here. Here, app, and inside app, you go here. Yes, you can copy the Google service JSON file inside app directory where you have cloned this your application. Now let's try compiling once again. Make build. Okay, let it compile. Okay, app compilation is completed. Now we need one more thing from the app is called signing certificate. Now if you see here, the place where we have generated the JSON file. Okay, here we have generated, and not this, sorry, FCM. FCM. Okay, and here we need to add fingerprint of our app. That is how we integrate our app to the Firebase. So to generate the fingerprint, what you can do, go to the Android Studio, go to Gradle here, and select push notification, select task, select Android, select signing report. Double click on it, then it will generate a SHA-1 ID for you. Copy this SHA-1 ID and paste it here. Okay, save. Yeah, now we have finally our entire Firebase activity is completed, and what we just need to do is connect your mobile here, connect your smartphone, and you can see in your smartphone Android device token got generated, and you can also see it in a console log as well. Okay, let's do that. I will connect my mobile here. I have connected my device. Install this app in a device now. Okay, I have casted my Android mobile to my Windows phone as well here. Okay, okay, you can see this app is installed here. Now if you want to see device token, you can click on show token button. If you see here, okay, you can see now this is your device token, and that you can also see it in your console logs here. Here also you can see your device token. So this is actually your device token, which you can use to send push notifications and OTP, and to use all of your Firebase services. And I'm making a video which I have given the link in the same video. Okay, which you can use, where I will be explaining a Node.js code to send a push notification using this token. Okay, thank you very much.